Hey there, it's your union management team here with some of our tips and tricks for cleaning your electric cooktop. We'll give you our product recommendations in just a moment, but let's get started with the first step. Step 1 is, of course, to turn off that cooktop and make sure that all of the burners are completely cold before you apply your product. Next, you want to be sure to select the right product. Avoid all-purpose cleaners, glass cleaners, vinegar, or essential oil cleaners. They may smell great, but they're not really effective at breaking down that grease and can even damage the finish on your cooktop. Instead, we recommend things like Ceramibrite, Barkeeper's Friend, Wyman's Cooktop Cleaner, and pairing those with a microfiber cloth or a soft scrub sponge. Now you're just going to apply that product in at least a quarter size amount or more. And scrub away. Make sure again to not use anything too abrasive. Lastly, you're going to buff it out with a microfiber cloth or even a slightly damp paper towel to get any residual product lifted up. And that's it. You're ready for next time? It really is that simple. Enjoy your clean cooktop and have fun cooking.